Never start your morning with this because it quietly damages your liver long before you feel any pain. Millions of Americans do this every single morning thinking it is harmless, even healthy. But inside the liver, a completely different story is unfolding. If you are over 30, overweight, pre-diabetic, or simply tired most mornings, this is especially important for you to hear. The worst thing you can start your morning with is a high-sugar drink on an empty stomach. This includes sweetened coffee drinks, flavored creamers, fruit juices, energy drinks, and even so-called healthy smoothies loaded with fruit and honey. When you wake up, your liver is already working hard to balance blood sugar after an overnight fast. Dumping a large dose of sugar into your system forces the liver to convert that excess sugar directly into fat. This process is called de novo lipogenesis, and it is one of the main drivers of fatty liver disease in the United States. Over time, fat builds up inside liver cells, slowing detoxification, disrupting hormone balance, and increasing insulin resistance. The scary part is that fatty liver often causes no symptoms until significant damage has already occurred. Many people believe fruit juice is safe in the morning, but liquid sugar is even worse than solid food. Juice floods the bloodstream with fructose, and unlike glucose, fructose can only be processed by the liver. When the liver is overloaded, that fructose turns into fat, inflammation, and oxidative stress. This is why even people who do not drink alcohol can develop fatty liver disease. Starting the day this way also spikes insulin, increases cravings, and sets up a blood sugar crash a few hours later. That leads to more snacking, more sugar, and a constant cycle of liver stress that repeats every day. Over months and years, this pattern significantly raises the risk of type 2 diabetes, high triglycerides, and metabolic syndrome. A liver-friendly morning starts with stability, not sugar. Water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea allows the liver to complete its natural detox processes. Adding protein, healthy fats, and fiber at breakfast supports steady blood sugar and reduces fat buildup in the liver. Even delaying sweet foods until later in the day dramatically lowers liver strain. Your liver is one of the most resilient organs in the body, only if you stop attacking it first thing every morning. Change how you start your day, and you change the future of your metabolism, energy, and long-term health.